we are with a beautiful Texas spring. Yes, he got it right. That is water coming over the hills. And yeah, you can see that the water's almost dried up. But every time when it rains so good and the water goes down there, it comes out like a lightning. Yeah, or lightning. You heard that right, a lightning. And then what you heard in the background, right there's that dog I posted on there. And yeah, it does look good, don't it? It sure does. I made that all by myself. I'm not lying, I actually did make that all by myself. I didn't even use nobody's help. When I'm bored at night, I just go out there working in the tree, and I just made wind stuff. Like, right before that, I had that barrel there. Now I have that there. Then I put another